A powerful winter storm hit Michigan from March 15 to 17, 2026, becoming one of the most destructive of the season. The hardest hit areas were the northern part of the state and the Upper Peninsula, including Alger, Marquette, Baraga, Benzie, Manistee, Osceola, Kalkaska, Roscommon, and Alpena counties, where snowfall ranged from 60 centimeters up to over 130 centimeters, with some areas receiving about 132 cm. The storm was accompanied by winds of 80 to 110 kilometers per hour, blizzard conditions, near zero visibility, and freezing rain, causing massive tree falls and downed power lines. More than 130,000 homes and businesses lost electricity, with some counties experiencing outages for 80 to 90% of residents. Roads were completely snow-covered and blocked, leading to numerous accidents. People were trapped in cars and unable to leave their homes. Emergency services worked around the clock, responding to hundreds of urgent calls. Travel restrictions were imposed, and schools, businesses, and major highways, especially along Lake Michigan's coast and US 31, were closed. Warming centers were opened for residents without electricity or heating, and rescue teams checked homes, assisting the elderly and vulnerable. Utility companies deployed hundreds of repair crews, and restoration took several days. Prior heavy rains and floods had already affected the region. Worsening the situation, wet snow and ice increased the damage. Overall, the storm was part of a major weather anomaly in the U.S., with extreme conditions affecting multiple regions. Like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think? Is this an anomaly or the new normal?